Reshaping a data is one of the most common steps in data wrangling process. It is also referred to as pivoting or unpivoting a table from long to wide or wide to long format. So in this video, we will see how we can reshape a data frame. I will use the same data of power consumption to illustrate this with the help of an example. This data is average monthly power consumption for 5 years. We have 3 columns: year, month and average power consumption. You can see year is appearing as a column, and now I want to spread or pivot so that there will be one column for each year. You can see in the below cell how the expected output will look like. We have a column for month and 5 columns for year. Let's do that. First we'll write the data frame name and then the function name, which is pivot. It requires few arguments. First we have to provide index, which is the name of column which will be fixed. Next argument is the columns which we want to spread. So in this case it is year. If there are multiple columns, then you can give them as a list. And the third column is the values. So in this case it is average. And now we will execute it. You can see the data is reshaped. One more thing we can do is we can reset. Give reset index so that month appear as a column. This is how the output look like. Now if we want to go back to the previous shape or unpivot, you can do that using the function melt. But before that, we will store the output of pivot into a new data frame. So we'll do that. We have stored the output in df3, and now we will write the function melt to unpivot. The first argument is id vars, which are identifier columns or column which should be fixed. So in this case, we want to keep that as month. The next argument is value vars, which is a list of columns which should be unpivoted. So in this case, we have 216. I'm writing the column names: 217, 218, 219 and 2020. Then var name, which should be the name of the variable column. So in my case it is year, and value name, which should be name of the value column. So in this case it is value kilowatt hour. And now we will execute it. You can see the columns have been unpivoted and put in the older format. In this video, we saw how to reshape data frame. This is one of the most common steps in data wrangling process. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.